Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect a wired pair of earphones into a phone that does not have a headphone jack. And you're going to be doing this via Bluetooth. So obviously, yes, you could use the adapter that your phone came with, and you can connect this or the earphones with a headphone jack to your phone via the adapter, but I'm going to be showing you a way how to do it without that particular adapter, but with a Bluetooth adapter. So these are relatively cheap. You can get them off AliExpress for about 10 bucks. This one right here is the iGNA1. This one right here is the Fornorm. I'll have links below, but these are very basic. So essentially what they allow you to do, again, is they allow you to take any pair of headphones, earphones, basically anything with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and they allow you to pair the headphones or earphones to your device via Bluetooth. So as you can see, I have it now plugged in. I'm going to turn it on. So turning it on is I just basically hold this button for a few seconds until I get the blinking light. So I have the blinking red and blue light. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can focus on that. So there you go, there you have it. Now within my iPhone, basically what I do is, let me just get into my settings with my iPhone. Oops. Okay, so basically with my iPhone, as you can see here, I'm just gonna turn on Bluetooth, and I'm gonna head on into the Bluetooth settings. So I'm now in the Bluetooth settings, and as you can see, I have this new device that just popped up. This is basically this. I'm gonna pair them together, and I now have Bluetooth capabilities with these headphones. So I can go ahead and use these via Bluetooth, so I don't have to have them plugged into my phone via the adapter. I could just have this laying around my neck, and then I get that liberty of not having to have that wire dangling around my body. So if I'm, say, at the gym, I get that liberty. I don't have to have a cable surrounding me. Now, same thing with this iGNA1. If I could just find out where I put it last. Oh, here we go. Okay, so same thing with this iGNA1 right here. I can go ahead, turn this on. In order to turn it on, I just hold this button right here, and as you can see, it's going to flash orange. And basically what I do here is I plug my 3.5mm jack. Let's say for this example, I'm going to be using the earpods. I plug them in here. Let's go ahead into my device. So let's go into settings again, and as you can see, a new device will pop up. Don't know how to pronounce that, but that is for the iGNA1. You just go ahead and click on that, and I'm now connected to the iGNA1, and I can have my music playing out of this Bluetooth device going into my earphones. The quality is pretty much the same. I cannot tell the difference with the audio quality. The only thing that really, I wouldn't say that concerns me, the only thing here that is not the best is, let's say, battery life. So battery life is not that great with this. It's about 3 to 4 hours. With the Fornorm, it's about 5 to 6 hours. There's a larger battery in this one. So they have a bunch of these devices on AliExpress. I haven't obviously tested all of them out. I've only tested these two out. There's another one that I'm planning on buying. I think it's made by Xiaomi. It's got Bluetooth 4.2. It's supposed to be a little bit better. Another issue that I have with these is audio and video synchronization. So I can't watch movies with both of these devices because the audio and video is out of sync. So for music, this is perfect, but for video playback, not really. There's this other device, the Bluetooth adapter that I'm looking to purchase. It's called the Xiaomi something. I don't know. I'll have it linked in the description below. But I think I'm gonna purchase it. I'm gonna see if I can get past the video and audio delay with the Xiaomi device. Hopefully I can. If I can, then that'll be great. I'll have a review for that. Again, I haven't ordered it yet, but I definitely am considering it because I'm kind of liking these Bluetooth adapters. It does give me that liberty of not having to have a wire around my body when I'm working out at the gym, or it's just nice to have as an emergency device, with you. If, say, you have a pair of wired earphones and you have a device that doesn't have a headphone jack, this is really nice to have if that be the case. Especially nowadays that more and more phones are getting rid of the headphone jack. It's very unfortunate if you ask me. I haven't upgraded my iPhone yet. I'm still on the 6. And I haven't upgraded yet simply because the later iPhones don't have the headphone jack. And this is really important for me, this little small hole right here. Yeah, anyway. I mean, I have the iPhone SE right here, but I use this for, I guess, video taking. This isn't a phone. This is too small to use as a phone for me. It's tiny compared to the iPhone 6, as you can tell. I mean, it's not tiny, but it's a lot smaller. Once you get used to a larger screen, it's very hard to go back to a smaller screen. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I'll have links below for these devices. You can check out my review on this iGene A1. If you wanted to see a review of this Fornorm right here, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in my next video.